Hi, I'm Kashish from Diligence Certification. Today we are going to talk about NGO registration in India. How to legally register a non-governmental organization, the types of registration, and why it is essential for credibility, funding, and making a real impact in society. An NGO is formed by a group of people working together to address social, environmental, and economic issues like providing education, healthcare, and preventing human rights. NGO registration is the official process of your organization recognized by the government. Think of it like a license to operate legally, build credibility, and funding legally, and assess funding. The process helps to define your mission, values, and goals, setting your NGO to a path to create a real change. Types of NGO registration. In India, you can register an NGO in three ways. First, trust, governed by the Indian Trust Act, simple structure, ideal for charity work with minimal compliance. Second, society, governed by the Societies Registration Act, more democratic, works well for education, arts, or community welfare projects. Section 8, company, governed by the Companies Act, highly credible, ideal for large-scale NGOs, corporate funding, and national or international operations. Registration process and documentation. Here is how to register an NGO. Name reservation. Pick a unique and meaningful name. Draft governing document. Trust deed. Society. Memorandum and rules. Section 8, company, memorandum and articles of association. Submit documents include ID and address proof, NOC from property owner, photos, and notarized government documents to the relevant authority. Verification and registration. After verification, your NGO receives a registration certificate. Benefits of NGO registration. Registering your NGO gives you legal recognition and public trust, access to government, corporate, and public and international funding, tax benefits for your organization and donors, ability to own property legally, enhanced governance, accountability, and credibility. Why choose Diligence certification? Stabilizing an NGO can be complex, but Diligence certification makes it simple. They help with expert consultation on the right structure, drafting all required documents, managing registration and compliance, 12A and 80G registration guidance. If you are ready to start your NGO and make a difference, then don't wait. Reach out to Diligence certification. We will guide you. Don't wait. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.